Today topic configure database mirroring in SQL Server. First, prerequisites. SQL Server edition that supports mirroring like standard or enterprise. Next point. Ensure database are in full recovery mode. I will show you. This is my server. So inside my server, database available. So these are my databases. So first we have set up database in full recovery mode. Click on database. Click on database under select properties. Choose options. First, the database is Endure database are in full recovery mode. Okay. Start third point. Backup and restore the database and log files to the mirror server. First one, editions. Enterprise or standard. Second point, database are in full recovery mode. Recovery mode. Next third point, backups and restore. Restore. So next, steps to configure the database mirroring. Steps to configure database mirroring. First one, prepare the principal database. Principal database. Set the database to the full recovery mode. Already we have set full recovery mode. Next, perform a full database backup. Select database under choose tasks backup. Pop-up window coming. So here take backup. First set up full recovery mode and then take backup. Copy the path. This is my server backup folder. Here is the end of the slash Mahendra dot BAK. End of the extension must mentioned dot BAK. Okay. Everything is fine. Take backup. Successfully completed. Mahendra.bak file is coming. So next transaction log backup. Same process. Choose task under select backup. Here is the backup type. Select transactional log. Remove the path. Copy the backup path. Backslash Mahendra dot trn extension dot trn we must mentioned. Successfully completed. Transaction log backup was completed. Full backup. This is the transaction log backup. So copy these two files. Secondary server. This is my secondary server backup folder and paste here. These two backups restoring in secondary server. Next, second point, restore on the mirror server. Mirror server means restore on the mirror server. Mirror server means my secondary server restore the database in no recovery mode. This is my secondary server. Mahendra.back, Mahendra.trl. These two files restore on the secondary server. These two files are restoring on the secondary server. Restore database. Relocate all files to folder. And third one, options. So in these options, restore with no recovery mode. First restore backup. Next again restore transaction log backup. Restore with no recovery mode. Restore the transaction log backup in no recovery mode already done. So now onwards, configure mirroring. Next third point, configure mirroring. Enable database mirroring using SQL Server Management Studio. This is my SMS, SQL Server Management Studio. So using SMS, right click on the database in the principal server. This is my principal server. Right click on the database. Then select tasks to configure mirroring. Pop-up window will come. So first click configure security. Provide principal, mirror and witness server details. not required present. This is the principal server instance, primary server. Second one is mirror server, connect. Not required service accounts. So all are set up principal, mirror and witness server details. So then finish. Success. Some window will come. So start mirroring. Click on S. That's it. Final. Wander. Select star from sister database mirroring. Database mirroring. Check the mirroring status in SSMS. So this is the final. Configure database mirroring. Prerequisites. Steps to configure database mirroring. Prepare the principal database. Second one, restore on the error server. Third one, configure the mirroring to SSMS. SQL Server Management Studio.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.